Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can join Peaq and InvArch crowdloan through Bifrost. I will also briefly mention the new liquid staking token in Bifrost. So for the Polkadot crowdloan, we have the Peaq, InvArch, and also the Sora, which is just posted today. This video I will talk about the Peaq and InvArch. Peaq, they have 140 Peaq token per dot, and it's a linear vesting. For the InvArch, I'm going to show you more details about the rewards for InvArch. It's worth mentioning like the Crash, which is the canary network for the Peaq, they already win the slot, and also the Sora, they also win the slot in the Kusama. So congratulations to both of them. Now for the InvArch, their crowdloan, the rewards, they have more rewards for those of you if you have a lot of dot. For example, if you have more than 500 of them, each dot you will get a 100 vArch token by default, and 20% will be distributed with 80% linear vested in 2 years. For those of you who have more than 500 dots, you will get 5% or 7.5 or 10% bonus based on how many dots you have. If you hold the InvArch Access Pass NFT, you will get a bonus of 5%. If you participate in the Tinkernet crowdloan, which is the canary network of InvArch, you will get a bonus of 2.5%. Of course, they don't stack with each other, the NFT and the Tinkernet. So for the Bifrost, if you need to participate, Bifrost provides liquidity. First of all, let me get some dot to the Bifrost parachain. And the good thing about Bifrost is you don't need to wait for 2 years, you can have liquidity. So go to the Polkadot crowdloan here, contribute. As a demo, I will just put 5 dot here to show you how you can join the Peaq network and also for the InvArch. And if you participate through Bifrost, you will also earn the bonus rewards. And at the end of 2 years, you can redeem your token here. So redeem the VS token. And for those of you, if you have more dots, you can also enjoy the 28% APY if you mint the V token, which is just like liquidity staking. So you can mint the V token and also go to the farming and earn some actual rewards of BNC, which is quite good. By the way, Bifrost, they have the new liquid staking token, the vFil. If you are interested, if you know the Filecoin, which is focused on the Web3 storage, you probably will be interested in the vFil. I will post a link below the video so you can check it by yourself. It will be launched very soon, so I will make another video and share the updates later on. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Will you participate in the Peaq or InvArch crowdloan? Leave your comments and I would be happy to see you next time. Goodbye.